Okay, hello and welcome everybody to a new series that I'm going to be running called Java Vaults. Basically what I'm going to be doing in this series is just programming a game, but I'm going to take you through and show you how I program the whole game. We're only going to do a simple platform style game, but I'll be able to go through and show you what it is that we put into the game. I'm coding in Java, obviously, by the name Java Vaults. So yeah, let's begin. What you've seen me do so far on the screen is make a new class called Engine, and I've made a new variable called Width, which we're going to do as if we do it as 800 for now, and then I'm just going to make another one, and we're going to call it Height. This one's 600, so this is just going to be our main size for our game screen, so it's going to be 800 by 600. Scale of 1. This just allows me, as I go through the game at some point, I may want to scale the game up, so instead of 800 by 600, change it to about 400 by 300 and scale it twice. So it would keep the frame rate higher, so we can get a better frame rate out, but it will also make it so depending on what sort of style, because I'm going to go for like a old retro style graphics, so we should get a nice sort of view out of that as well, using the scale of 2. It'll make it look a lot better. Okay, so that's basically all the variables I'm going to set up for now. We're going to make a quick constructor, and this is just a public function, has no return value. And up here, just one thing I forgot to do, we need to make our engine class extend canvas and then become runnable. When I can smell implements. And when I save it, I'm using Eclipse at the minute, by the way, so you're aware. It's quite a good thing to program Java in, because it allows you to do things like formatting and including libraries when you need to. That's why Canvas automatically included when I press save. Okay, in our engine key, we're going to make a dimension and call it D. For this, we're just going to make Y. The width is going to be width times scale, and height again is just going to be height times scale. My typing's all over the place today. Okay, so this will make a new dimension, and then we're going to do this. Dot set preferred size as D. For this to do dot set minimum size, and then set maximum size as well. Okay, so that's pretty much I think so. What we're also going to do down here now though is set up the main function, public static void called main, and it takes argument in the array of strings and we're just going to args. Okay, and what it is, when you start the program up, this will be the function that the program starts to run. So this is our main function, and this will be the one we actually start running. In the main function, what we're going to do is going to make a new engine. Even though we're in the engine class, we do need to make a new engine, so that our application actually knows what we're doing. We're also going to make a new J-frame. What we're then going to do is do J dot, and we're going to add to it our engine. This just tells it so that we can start using the frame to actually be our the J-frame to be our window for our application, and it will actually run nicely like that as well. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is do J dot pack. This means it'll automatically scale the window for us. And then we can also set resizable to false. So this means no one can resize it. Once you can start distorting all the aspect ratio of the game and all the textures, and it'll start to look weird. We're going to set a default close operation, and this just means that when you close it, exit or close. When you close the application, if you just close the window, it stops the program running, otherwise the program will keep running in the background. Just close the window, which obviously set up for a lot of lag. We're also going to do set location relative to set location relative to and set it to null. Yeah, set location relative to null, and this just means it will center it on the screen. And then the last thing I'm going to do is set visible true, and then the last thing actually we'll do e.start. We're going to have to make a start function for e now, which we can just do this and actually take it up here. In here, what we're going to do is we're going to make a new thread with this, which is just the engine class, and we're going to start it. We're also going to do running equals true, and that's going to be something for the next episode, which we'll go through. So next episode when we actually start running the program. If we run this now, our axis, you see we've just got this a minute, but I haven't set the title up here. So what I have to do is down here where I first make the frame, I have the title there, and I'm running this Nexus platform right there. And so for now we've just got a basic window 800 by 600. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there for now. I'll do another episode later on of showing you how we actually start putting things onto this, and how we actually start getting a game loop running into the window as well. But for now, please rate, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know if you like the series, if you like the idea of the series, and I'll make sure I carry it on. Thank you, and goodbye.